Rike made the Tissot, and now the real question is, what is it doing? And well, obviously there's the build quality and the refinement process with an M390 blade and the titanium handle, and the two variations of handles. I guess I won't be around the bush too much. This knife has one very interesting party trick that when you push the button, everything can get a little bit funky and opens up some very interesting possibilities for what Rike could be doing with this knife in the future.